Happy birthday, dear Stella. Happy birthday, Stella. Oh, kita, baby. Wow. Happy birthday, Stella.
There's a candle. Other one.
Other one. Yay! Happy birthday. Kiss mo pa.
Birthday. Love you.
Yes. It's your birthday. Yay! How old is Stella na?
How old are you?
How old is Stella na? 2. Yay! Ito na baby namin.
Okay.
Open mo, open. Sige. Open mo, open. Wow! What is that? Wow! Wow!
May pinipindit siya. Iikot yung ano na
Tingnan natin ito dito.
Smile with your teeth.
Jolly afternoon to everyone. Now, you're about to experience the majestic celebration of Stella only here at Jollibee Malolos Crossing. Let us turn the page of time
and enter the era of royal and majesty.
Let the castle gates open and start the festivity. This is your fairy tale party! At your service, yours truly, I am your host, Kuya Phil, together with
Ate Erica.
Ate Erica, Kuya Adrian. And before we start our birthday celebration of Stella, let me remind you the health and safety protocol that we need to observe. First,
observe physical distancing, avoid hopping from one place to another unless you will be participating in our meals.
and lastly, our hand sanitizer always available to the party guys who took it, use anytime. May I call Stella together with Mommy and Daddy here in Suwan. And sabay-sabay po natin batiin si Stella ng happy birthday in 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday, Stella! Once again, welcome to Breaker Fans. This is your Jollibee Fairy Tale Dance Party! Yun ang sabi sa inyo po. Once again.
Go. Go.
Our lovely guests, may I request sa iyo po tayo lahat na Stella. Let us all clap our hands with our very own princess. Yes, Stella, welcome here at Jollibee Fairytale. And yes, we all get fascinated with the majesty of the castle. Fairytale Land journey begins as Prince Jollibee, Princess Hetty, and Princess Twirly as they open the castle gates. Colorful butterflies lead them to the center of the garden where they can see the wishing fountain that transforms them into the best prince and best princesses that they can be. It is believed that every wish made in that wishing fountain is granted. So everyone, let us all enjoy our stay here at Jollibee Fairytale Land, as it is one of the most joyful places, and of course, truly here, the dreams do come true. And together at Erica and at Rika, we have a dance number prepared for you that symbolizes how Jollibee Fairytale Dance was.
I wanna be. I can see whatever I wanna see. Believing in all possibilities. I am my own destiny.
Alright everyone, greetings from the Fertiland. Again, I'm your party host, Kuya Adrian, together at Arca. At Erika, Kuya Phil, and this is Salah's birthday celebration. Welcome to Jollibee Malalas Party.
I can dream and I can be. I can soar high with my family. I can fly and be free. I am my own destiny. I am my own
Alright, tayo dito na si Mommy and Daddy together with Stella. Mommy and Daddy will be having po our question and answer portion. Alam ko namang second time na po nila dito sa Jollibee. Okay, sa ating question and answer, ano po kayang favorite bonding po together? Together po with Stella. Kumain, anong favorite nung kainan, Ma'am? Yes, fast food. Sige, specific fast food. Yes, of course, Jollibee. Kasi kung magbanggit tayo ng iba. Okay, how about si Daddy? Anong favorite bonding mo together with Stella?
Mag-TikTok.
Mag-TikTok? Ay, naku, hindi ko maniniwala nag-TikTok kayo kung walang sample. Ay, sample. Di ba kayo iba? Hindi na kaya. Anong TikTok yun? Lagabog po ba yun? Hindi. Lagabog?
Patintero.
Patintero? Anong BGY? Paano po yung Daddy? Sample lang po yun. Ay, hindi. Okay. Eto na lang. Nasaan po yung family side dito ni Daddy? Nandun dito. Family side ni Mommy. Dito, ate, okay. Sa ating second question, Mommy and Daddy, sino po ba mas kamukha ni Stella? Ikaw po or si Daddy? Tanongin natin. Okay, tayo daw mag-desisyon. So, magkakaroon tayo ng voting system. Yung voting system natin, para mas malaman po natin kung sino mas kamukha ni Stella, si Mommy ba o si Daddy. Papalakpak lang po tayo, palakasan lang po ito ng palakpak. Kung sino mas kamukha. Baka makaawan ako. Sige, Kuya Phil, papalakpak din tayo. Kasi rito, kailangan pumalakpak tayo kay Mommy. Boto tayo kay Mommy. Okay, guys, sinong payas na mas kamukha ni Stella, kanyang Daddy? Volume mo, sound natin. How about this one? Sino payag? Na mas kamukha ni Stella? Ang kanyang Mommy! Sino family side ko ni Mommy? Tama? Ay nako, anong pakiramdam ang siyam na one mong dinala si Stella kasi Daddy ang mas kamukha?
Nabawi na lang ako sa next day.
Okay. Baka naman Daddy sa ugali, bumawi naman si Mommy. Ano kaya ang attitude, behavior, ang nakuha ni Stella sa kanyang Mommy?
Matakaw.
Bukod po na ng pag-user.
Bugnutin.
Ayun pala, sabi ko na nga. O sige, Mommy, ano po kaya ang ugat na kuha ni Stella sa kanyang Daddy? Masipag. Bakit kay Mahal puro good ways? Kala ko maglalabasan sa yan sa kanang loob. Okay, what important moment and Daddy, meron po ba tayong lola at lolo dito? Lolo and lolo. Ayun, naka-white na. Napaka-formal lang attorney, ma'am, mo, para nasa ganun po ang tawag sa inyo. Mommy, ganun din po, favorite bonding mo kay Stella together. Maglaro na po, anong laro po yun? Bakit? So, okay po. Ano po madalas yung tinuturo kay Stella, ma'am? Katulad na. Ng mga puzzle. Sakto. Crower Games kids, you also join Crower Puzzle Games. Sige po na. Birthday wishes po for Stella.
Wish ko kay Stella ay lumaking mabait at na Diyos at maging healthy ang kanyang kalusugan na ilayo sa anumang mga karamdaman.
Okay, palakpakan naman po natin si Mommy. Mami ko na rin po kayo, ha? O, sige, Mommy. Ang question namin, sino po bang talagang mas kamukha ni Stella? Pero bago po yun, sa side po kayo ni Mommy? Sa side po kayo ni Mommy. Mommy po kayo ni Mommy. Tama? Mami, ni Daddy. O sige, sino pumas ka mukha? Si Mami or si Daddy?
Si Daddy.
Si Daddy. O sige. Kay Lolo naman tayo. Sige, Lolo. Sige, thank you very much. Hi, Lolo. Sige, dyan lang po tayo. Bumula po tayo. Magkwentuhan na lang po tayo dito. Sige, uupo na lang din po ako. Baka mapagod ka po. Sige, sir. Kamusta naman ang buhay natin, sir?
Okay lang naman.
Okay. Okay, sir. Ano po? Sino po mas kumukha ni Stella?
Si Carice.
Naalala ko lang. Kasi hindi nilalaban si Lola kasi siya si VP ngayon. VP na din. Okay. Sige, sir. Birthday wishes po for Stella.
Lumaking mabait, mapagmahal sa magulang, at saka sa lahat ng kanyang mga sa kanyang lolo at lola, sa kanyang mga tiyahin.
Thank you very much, sir. Daddy po ang tawag sa inyo, Stella? Daddy.
Daddy.
Daddy. Again, palakpakan ng pati si Daddy, sir. Meron pa po isang lolo, nasan? Isang lolo. Sa side po ito ni Mommy. Sa side po ni Mommy. Sige, sir. Maupo na lang din po tayo. Sige, sir. What is your birthday wishes for Stella?
Maging mabait, may tao sa Diyos, mapagmahal sa mga magulang niya.
Ano po tawag sa inyo ni Stella, sir?
Lolo tayo.
Lolo tayo, parang naiiyak ka po. Ay, hindi po. Sige, Lolo tayo. Thank you. Nasa si Lola, nang side ni Mommy. Nasa bro. Sige, thank you very much po. Palakpakan naman po ating mga lolos and lolas sa ibang kita best out of best of crossing. We're always celebrating extra special and fun to make that happen. We would like to teach of our many ways here. We have our unique ways by acknowledging and recognizing achievement using our Jollibee clap. So pag sinabi ni Kuya Adrian na sa Jollibee bida ang saya, papalakpak lang po tayo ng malakas. Gusto ko malakas sa palakpak ko, guys, ha? Okay. Let me test your listening skills. Again, sa Jollibee, bida ang saya. Ayun, bida tayo. One more time. I want a louder clap again sa Jollibee, bida ang saya. Sign code. Sige, what is this sign code? Beep, beep, beep. What is this sign? Beep, beep, beep. Gian, what is this?
No party.
No party. Oh, si Gian, mataas ba yung araw sa loob ng Jollibee? Hindi na. Assistant lang ba siya? Okay. How about this one? What is this sign called? What is this sign? Beep, beep, beep. Dashboard, what is this? Gusto ko samahan ko sa inyo, beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep muna. Beep, beep, beep. Ano to? No U-turn. No U-turn. Parang nalaman yung signage. Paano nalaman? Sa bikeries pala to si Kuya Denver. Okay, congrats, Denver. This is no U-turn sign. How about this one? Yung mga adult natin babawi syempre. Hindi tayo mapapatalo sa mga kids. What about this one? What is this sign called? Beep, beep, beep. Ayan, si sir. Narinig ko pa kahit yung bulong lang niya. Gusto ko, sir, yung may feeling na beep, 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 beep.
Two-way. Beep, beep, beep. Two-way.
Two-way traffic or two-way intersection. Good job, sir. May kotse po ba kayo, sir? Right for me. O sige. Yung mali ang sasagot dito, meron po kaming LTO register sa baba, doon ka connection. Okay, joke lang. How about this one? What is this sign called? What is this sign? Beep, beep, beep. Cling, what is this sign called? No entry. Paano mo na naman no entry? Hindi ko nakita yun. So sige, good job, Clay. Here's your prize. Ay, naman. Opo. How about this one? Ito for our last picture, kapag nasabi niyo pinaka-direct terminology ng signage na to, dalawa yung magiging prize niya. Okay. Once again, baka na si sir. Baka may cash prize pa to. Okay. How about this one? Again, be on the lookout. And once again, check this out. What is this sign called? What is this sign? This is a speed limit 60 sign. So what is this sign called? Bawal daw tayo mag-exceed sa 60, so no what? Gian?
60 per hour.
60 per hour, may other term pa tayo dito. May other term pa, what is this sign called? Bawal daw tayo mag-exceed sa 60, so no what? Si sir, parang nakakati na yung dila niyang sabihin. Anong signage ito, sir? Maximum speed na reserve pa dito. Bawal daw tayo mag-exceed sa 60, so no what? No? Sige, Gian, what is this? No?
Speed.
No speed or no?
No speed.
No overspeed. You got it right, Gian. So here's your prize. Sige, tatlo na to. Good job, Gian. Sabi ko sa'yo, pag tinanggal mo yung salamin, malalaman mo kung nakita ka dito. Okay, congratulations. And using this blocks, we have a pattern to follow and kailangan natin ma-organize yung mga blocks na yun using that pattern. Sige, Stella, here's our first pattern. Yung ano easy lang po yung bilang. Sige. Stella, what color is this? What is this? What is this? Where's the pink? Where's the pink here? Stella, come here. Ay, gusto niya doon. Sige, ba sa kabila? Okay, nasa yung pink dito? Good, Arian. And using this blocks again, we have a picture to follow and it has a pattern. Okay. Wait tayo mga ano, si Lane and then si Jumbo. Come here, Jumbo. Yellow team ka. Ay, ayaw mo. Sige, red team na si Jumbo. Lane one here. And then Gian, dito ka sa red. Last player ka sa red team. Denver, last player ka lang sa ating yellow. Okay. Ready? Mia, Arian, here's our first pattern. Kuya Phil, show it. Go, kids! Again, ilalagay lang natin sa box yung mga blocks na sinasabi ng pattern na hawak-hawak ni Kuya Phil. Go, Mia and Aya. Nagawa agad ni Aya. Yellow team. Sige, that's okay. Mia, you have on your fourth layer. Last four. Last four, we have red. And last two, orange. So got it right, Mia. So, but then, Arian got it first. So 1 point tayo for yellow team. Good job. Good job, Arian and Mia. Let's try that and see. Lane and Jumbo. Lane and Jumbo. Here's our second pattern. Go, kids. Again, 1 point tayo for yellow. So we have, what is that? Light blue, purple, purple and pink, red, blue, green, and dark blue. Go, kids. Almost there, Clay. Last 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 blocks lang kay Clay. 2, 4, 6, 8. 9 blocks for Jumbo. Go, Jumbo. You're on the third layer. Double check the color, kids, sa mga magkapit yung purple natin na dark blue. Green. Okay. Ang bilis naman ni Clay. Double check muna natin. We have light blue, purple, purple, pink, red, blue, light blue, green, dark blue, red, yellow, green, pink, orange, orange, and yellow. Congratulations, Trey. So 1 point din tayo for red. Gian, Denver. Gian and Denver to a field. Gusto ko yung difficult. Yeah, that's it. Gian and Denver for our last picture. Kuya Phil, show it! Tiebreaker round. Gian and Denver again. You have your 1 point for your team, 1 point for yellow, and 1 point also for red team. Go. Second layer, Denver. Go, Gian. Go, Gian. With the help pa, with Pia, go on, kids. Third layer na si Denver. Go on, Gian. Tapos tayo si Pia. Oh, okay. There we go, Denver. That's okay, Gian. Again, our winner on this round for our ready set. Eto, we have here our placards, so may equivalent points. And using these placards, each player, meron kayong tigtatatlong sandbag. And using the 3 sandbag, we will throw that sandbag, syempre sa ating pinakamataas sa point. At kung saan bumagsak yung sandbag ngayon, ipag-add lang natin yung mga points na makukuha ng kada players. Okay, ready? Oh, 4 points. 4 points na nakuha ni natin. Ayan, how about si Stella? Stella, bato natin dito sa 4. Okay, 4 points. Another one, another one. Yay, last one. Okay, 8 points na agad. 8.4. Thank you, Stella. Good job. Next natin, Mia, come on to try to. Jumbo Lane. Again, may prize pa rin tayo dito. Mia, come here. Again, 3 sandbag. Uulitin natin yan, Ayan. Come here, sila ulit ng sa likod. Go, Mia. Okay, mahina lang. Okay, mahina lang. Last one. 4 points. 1 point for Mia. Next naman, ulit natin yan, Ayan. Go, Ayan. 4, another one. 4, oh, sige. 4 plus 4. 8 points for Ayan. Jambong lane. Pila tayo dito. Asahan kayo dito. Ito, dito nagsisimula eh. Stepping stone ko namang pagpipiko. Para matuto kayo magpiko. Sige, play. 4. Another one, 4. Last one. Another 4. 12 points. Diba? Sobrang easy lang nun. Try playing. Next one, Jumbo. 4. Another 4. Last one. Okay. Ayan, diba? Very, very basic, very cool to kay Jumbo and Clay. So our winner, an hour. Roto Castle Game and Jumbo and Clay. Congratulations. How many days are there in a black? Letter G is a black letter in alphabet. Ilang duwende meron sa buhay ni Snow White? Into early go 5. 4. Into early first. Into early first. What in Popo? 4. 3. 2. Correct. Sabi nyo kayo 12. Hindi. O sige. Pagbigyan ka ng isang duwende doon sa piko. Wala. Dapat mamagsabi ko ito. Girl, sino? Next question. When Sir Castle is also like a bird, it can also fly from caterpillar to black. Si player, mag-shake-shake ng body at magtatalon-talon hanggang sa mahulog lahat ng egg balls na nasa loob ng body bag. At kung sinong player ang pinakamarami again, we only have 10 seconds para mag-shake-shake ng body. Also, sino mahuna? Boys or girls? Ladies first na. Sige. Okay, dahil yan kayo mauna mag-ipon. Ikaw na po mauna dahil sir. Sige, sir, kaya po kapag ang 7:30 pa tayo din eh. Go! 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, meron pa 8, ikabot mo pa kaya 9, sige ba, 9, and 10, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, sige mabibigyan tayo isang oras pa.
Rin sa magulang at lalo-lalo na maging sweet na katulad po namin mga tita niya at kasing ganun.
Come on! Anong gusto mong music, ma? Gusto mo? Ito na lang. Go! Ayun, sweet ang gusto niya. Sige, bigyan natin ang sweet.
Ayan, ayos mo damit ni Stella.
Ayun, sweet sound yan, ha? Okay, ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. So get ready, sir. Nice, sir. And 3, 2, 1. Come on. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Ilang points? 3, so 13 points tayo for boys team. Mami ko na po ako next. Ayun. Hindi ko sinasadya na bakit nagtag sila agad-agad na ganun, no? Ang bilis ko siguro mag-ilang kanina. Sige ma'am, ano mo nasabi mo po sa performance? Ay, wala, tingin sa akin ba ba? Ano po sabi sa performance ng girls team?
Sana ko inayusan po.
Sana inayusan niyo para. Si ma'am Charo po yun. Sige ma'am, get ready again. You only have 10 seconds. Let's take that ball down in 3, 2, 1. Get ready, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Ayan, Ma'am Sharon, we're sorry for that. But then, our winner and our tours, groups, and game, palakpakan naman po natin. Boys, team got the point. Congratulations mo, sir. Mac, si Sir Mac, and then si Sir Oliver, sino pa isa? Si Daddy, sir. Congratulations. And at this time, alam ko naman kung na-miss nyo ang ating Jollibee favorites. Sino ang nakamiss sa Jollibee favorites? Sino? Yes, si Mac. Sige, dahil na-miss nyo ang Jollibee favorites, sino ang nakakalang sa inyo ng Crispelations? Just Seletions. Ang Philippine Best Tasting, what is that? Chicken Joy, how about this one? Ang crispy flavor full and every bite. Crispy flavor full and every bite? What is that?
Fine. French
Ano yun?
Ay, French fries.
Ano? Fish mango pa hindi na yung jumbo. Fries! Fries on Jolly Fries, how about this one? Creamiest, cheesiest, sweet sarap. Favorite, how about this one? Creamy goodness and every scoop. Chocolate candy. Okay. And at this time, everyone, kids, don't move now. Go back to your proper seats. Because it is nakasarap tayo na po. We will serve the food na lang po. You can now enjoy your meal. Thank you very much. Lahat ang best friend ni Stella. At ang best friend natin lahat coming down, our best friend, Jollibee! Best friend Jollibee, welcome from Stella's birthday celebration! Talagang ang ibang galang at gitin na naman namin best friend Jollibee sa tubig, nakikita ka talaga. And Stella, what a smile is that, Stella? Nakita mo si best friend Jollibee. Talagang pananabik talaga, best friend Jollibee. And best friend, meet Stella na kanina ka pa inantay. Forward. Come on, Stella. Ay, the long wait is over talaga. Ang tagal nilang muling nakita. Nung first birthday niya kasi best friend, dito rin siya nag-birthday. Naalala mo ba siya, best friend? Sure. Yes. And best friend, of course, hindi ka papayag na wala kang dala-dala birthday gift for her. What is that? A Jollibee lamp for Stella. Once again, a Jollibee lamp. Yay! A thankful smile. Thank you, best friend Jollibee. Ito pa, Stella. Of course, best friend Jollibee, sa mga birthday celebration like this, you have your birthday wishes. Meron kang ilan? Meron siyang isa, dalawa, tatlong birthday wishes for Stella. And for our first wish, Stella. Sana po si Stella ay lumaki matalino. Yay! Of course, for our second wish, sana po si Stella ay lumaki malakas at malusog. Yan naman pala gustong-gusto ni best friend Jollibee na palagi lamang healthy and in goodness si Stella, of course. And for our last wish, sana po si Stella ay lumaki jolly like our best friend Jollibee. Yay! And best friend, para mas mapasaya pa si Stella at ang ating mga guests, ano pang inanda mo para sa aming best friend Jollibee? Sige, isipin mo. What is that? Sasayaw raw si best friend Jollibee. Gusto niyo ba makita ang sumayaw si best friend Jollibee? Para mahina pa agad, gusto niyo ba makita ang sumayaw si best friend Jollibee? Yay! And together with the Sparking of Jollibee, Malalas Crossing ay may hinanakaw dance na para sa inyo. What an energy is that, best friend Jollibee?
Nagano ba yan?
Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. And of course, with this very special moment, Daddy, hindi po pwedeng mawala ang birthday wishes nyo for Stella.
Ayun, wish ko lang kay Stella ay na maging mabait, masunurin sa magulang, kay mami daddy, sa mga tito-tita, sa lahat, at magalang sa lahat. Yun lang, wish ko din na gabayan siya ni Lord hanggang sa paglaki niya. At ayun, at ayun, maging masiyahin at maging bibo gaya ni Jollibee.
Yay! Best friend! Sorry, masyadong naging madamdamin si best friend ngayon. Na-miss na lang po yung mommy and daddy niya. Nasa Qatar po siya ngayon eh. Best friend, sige, inhale mo na nga. Inhale. And then exhale. Exhale na, best friend. Kala na sa pinggan. Best friend talaga. Sige, punasan mo muna yung luha mo. Okay ka na ba? Hindi yan. Gusto naman eh. Ito pa, mas maiiyak ka sa wishes ni mommy. Sige, mommy, ano pong birthday wishes mo for Stella?
Wish ko po kay Stella is kagaya na lang din po nung sa papa niya. Baguhin mo! Nasabi na ko lahat eh. Kagaya po nung kay papa. Siyempre, sana po wish ko po bumait na po si mama niya.
Ay, mami pala yun.
Hey! Palapakan natin sila mommy and daddy. Again, talaga mga best ang best ang binibigyan nila for Stella. And of course, out of the goodness of the Lord, mommy and daddy, lahat po ng wishes nyo for Stella ay matutupad. Okay. And so everyone, best friend Jollibee, gusto ko naman po yung mas malakas at mas masigla Jolly birthday song! Everybody! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday to you! Jolly birthday to you! Jolly birthday! Happy birthday! At time we now blow your candle! Let's malakas one more time. Yay! Happy birthday! And at this point, mag-iakay na po tayo ng photo from Philippine Disaster Jollibee. Every time. Stella, look at the camera, smile. If you want to experience a jolliest, happiest birthday like this one, like Stella's birthday celebration, we have 4 hour booths at the back. makikita po natin doon ang mga packages that we are offering. Once again, sa mga guests po na gusto mag-picture ni Beth and Jollibee, punta na lang po ito sa
Picture. Ready?
Tara, tara.
Happy birthday, Stella! And of course, I love Jollibee! Yay!